You want to come see what it is?
Whoa. They did.
What is that?
Too heavy.
It's too heavy?
Get it out.
Get it out, please.
Get it out, please.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh, the bus. Ooh. The bus out. The bus out.
What is this? What did you know what this is?
Uh-huh.
What is it? It is a blind bag. What do you know what these are?
Huh?
What are they?
Eggs.
What's inside the eggs?
A hat.
Hatchimal, yeah.
I
You want to open this first?
Yes.
You need help? Okay, I'll help you. Should we open it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I did it.
Okay, let's do it. There's the Hatchimal. I think, put it in. Let's try it out. Ready? Put it in there. Put it inside here. And let's see what happens when we...
Look. It turns pink.
See what happens when we turn it.
It's hatching.
It's hatching? Is it hatching?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's see if it's going to hatch the egg for us.
It is hatching.
It is?
Fine.
You have to be patient. Wait for the flower to open. You gonna wait for the flower to open?
Uh-huh.
Okay, and it hatched your Hatchimal for you. It went right in there. There it is.
And he's doing slide.
What is it? Let's see what it is. What is your Hatchimal? Is it a bird?
Sleepy.
Is that where he would sleep?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Should he go down the slide?
Uh-huh.
Let's see him go down the slide again.
Yeah. Down the slide.
Is that the alicorn? You gonna put him in?
I'll see. That's a park? That's a park?
Is that a Hatchimal park?
Yeah. Whee! Whee! He's doing slide. He's done. He's done.
He's done swinging?
Uh-huh. Let's open. I'm excited. Whoa!
You want me to get them out?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
All out.
There's one and there's number 2. And your little nests.
Nope, not done.
Not done? Still have to rub it
Like this.
like that.
It's turning pink.
Is it turning pink?
It's turning. What? What? What is that? Whoa.
What is that? That looks like a kitty cat.
It is.
It is a kitty cat.
It's swimming.
He's swimming? It looks like he's a flying kitty cat.
Huh?
Does he look like a flying kitty cat?
Flying. You. No.
Okay, open the yellow one.
It's done.
It is done. You want some help?
Mm-hmm. flying.
He's very cool. That one's green, and this one is purple. Purple on purple.
Purple and green.
Gonna rub them to make them warm. You gotta give them lots of love. Is it pink?
No, it's purple. It's done.
It's done? Want some help?
Uh-huh.
Here. Oh, you did make it nice and pink. You gonna make that one nice and pink too?
It's action. Oh.
Is it a dog?
Uh-huh. Woof, 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 woof. Woof, woof, woof.
Does the dog get to play in the playgrounds?
Yeah, he's so excited. He's so excited. Woo!
They all like the slide, huh?
Oh, nest.
Yeah.
Purple.
It's purple, which means you gotta make it nice and warm. Give it lots of love.
How much is it? It's turning.
It's turning pink?
It's turning.
Yeah, good job. Keep going.
Love and love.
Lots of love. What is that?
Ba 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 ba.
Okay, maybe it's a sheep. I don't know.
That's a sheep.
It's a sheep? His tail would suggest that it's not a sheep.
What are these? Now, would you eat it?
Not eating it.
Huh?
Not eating it.
Bite it. Bing. Banana. What hatch?
It's a pink egg.
Huh?
It's a pink egg.
That's a pink egg. The white egg.
It's pink and white. That's right.
The white egg. That's awesome.
It is awesome.
Open it. Let's open it. It's a black. A black Hatchimal.
A black Hatchimal?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what it is.
How did it out?
What is it? Is it a penguin?
Is this?
Or what? I don't know. I can't see from here. You've got it in your hands. What is he? Let's see what he is.
This bear.
It's a bear?
Uh-huh. A bear. That's a bear.
Okay, it's a bear. It's a black bear.
This.
Want to open the next one?
Uh-huh.
Should I open both of them?
Uh-huh. What is that? White bear.
It looks white. What is it? Is it a white bear?
It's bear.
It's a white bear? So you have a black bear and a white bear?
Uh-huh. Oh, one.
Did you get another white bear?
Uh-huh.
That's so cool. Guess what?
Huh?
I have one more surprise for you.
Huh?
But it won't fit in the playgrounds.
There's something playing bear.
This is a Hatchimal wind-up egg glider. Ready? Poke his nose. Can you push his nose?
What's this? What's this?
Yeah. What happens when you push his nose? His eyes light up.
He's saying like that.
Yeah, he's silly like that.
He's saying like Yeah. He's like that. Shoo!
Your Hatchimals?
Yeah! So excited.
Excited?
I'm jumping.
You're jumping? Is that because you're so excited?